How to make money mailing flyers and postcards from home. Hey there. I'm the fast cash money making man, and if you listen to me, I can make you rich. I'm excited to introduce you to this incredible way to make mailbox cash money mailing postcards and flyer from home. These money-making flyer and postcard that includes a built-in residual income opportunity. The concept behind these flyers and postcards is to provide you with a reliable and consistent cash flow delivered right to your mailbox. It's a straightforward and unique opportunity that allows you to tap into a growing work-from-home business. As you advance to level 3, you'll unlock a residual income of $100 up to thousands, along with 5 books of stamps depending on the program you pick, all part of this fantastic offer. Your potential earnings are directly tied to your efforts. Once you join, all you need to do is mail copies of your personalized flyers or postcards to individuals who, like you, are looking to generate extra income from the comfort of their homes. Just picture opening your mailbox and discovering thousands of dollars waiting for you, along with 5 books of stamps. Now, let's talk about our secret weapon, full data leads. The foundation of our strategy relies on a comprehensive full data MLM leads list. This invaluable resource includes essential information such as names, addresses, cell phone numbers, and email addresses of individuals actively engaged in network marketing and multi-level marketing, all poised and ready to make significant investments. Here's a sample of what some of the incredible flyers and postcards package includes. Thousands of full data leads, $1-$1,000 grocery vouchers of your choice, $1-$1,000 fast food coupons of your choice, 1 3-day 2-night trip, the new Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit, and unlimited support. Now, let's talk income potential when you mail your flyers and postcards and people get started from your personalized flyer or postcard. Consider this example. You process 5 flyers or postcards at $1,000 value, you get $5,000. You process 10 flyers or postcards at $1,000 value, you get $10,000. Ready to take action? Visit www.allyourmoney.net or give us a call at 346-704-1754 to get started. You can also head to our website, print out the flyer, fill in your details, and mail it in. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but it's your actions that determine what you get. So, let's embark on this incredible journey to financial success together.